Is a carving demonstration video for mandibular first molar of right side. We will start by marking sites on the wax block, that is buccal, lingual, mesial and distal. Next we will mark the measurements on the wax block. The cervico-occlusal length of the crown is 7.5 mm. Length of the root is 14 mm. Mesiodistal diameter of the crown is 11 mm and that at the cervix is 9 mm. Now we will join all the points and carve out the excess wax from the mesial and distal aspect of the tooth. This is the crown after mesial and distal reduction. Now we will mark the labiolingual diameter of the crown, which is 10.5 mm, and at cervix it is 9 mm, and carve out the excess wax. This is the shape of the crown after labiolingual reduction. Now we will start carving the occlusal table of the tooth. Now we will mark the cusps on the occlusal table. Mandibular first molar has 5 cusps, that is the mesiobuccal, distobuccal, distal, mesiolingual and distolingual. The mesiobuccal cusp is slightly larger than the two lingual cusps. Both the lingual cusps are almost equal in size. The distobuccal cusp is smaller and the distal cusp is smallest of all in size. Now we will start carving the occlusal table. On the buccal aspect of the crown, there are two developmental lobes, that is the mesiobuccal developmental lobe and the distobuccal developmental lobe. On the lingual aspect of the crown, there is lingual developmental lobe, which acts as a line of demarcation between the two lingual cusps. We are almost done with the carving of crown portion of the tooth. Now we will move towards the carving of the root. Mandibular first molar has 2 roots. Now we will mark a triangular shape on the buccal aspect of the crown, indicating the 2 roots. We will remove wax from both the lingual and buccal side. The shape of the root after the reduction of the wax. Now we will mark the cervical line of the tooth. The cervical curvature is 1 mm on the mesial side and 0 mm on the distal side. So this is the carving demonstration video for mandibular first molar.